Hello, hi, welcome to another video. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you a video clip of an Indian Cobra. Okay, an Indian Cobra. Now, a friend of mine, a relative of mine, sent me this clip from India. This video clip is from India. He sent it specially to me because I like snakes. Okay, so this video, it shows an Indian Cobra hissing, making the warning noise. It will be standing in a hooded position like this. Okay, like this, but the head is not as big as this. Standing like this, and it will be making the that sound. It is actually a warning sound. When a cobra stands in a hooded position means warning, danger, don't come near me, don't provoke me. If not, I'll strike you with my venom. So this is a clip of an Indian cobra in a hooded position, okay, giving a warning signal. The sound can be clearly heard. Okay, the person who took this video, he zoomed in, did not go too close, zoomed in, but the sound, the hissing sound is very clearly captured. In the video clip, I've increased the volume also so that you can hear the hissing sound more clearly. Okay, what is the difference between an Indian Cobra and a King Cobra? King Cobra are longer. They are longer. Indian Cobra, the maximum is 1.5 meters, the length, 1.5 meters, whereas a King Cobra can go up to 3 meters. There are King Cobras who they found up to 4 meters and 5 meters also, but the average is 3 meters, whereas an Indian Cobra is 1.5 meter. Okay, that's the first thing. And the second thing, the King Cobra is a cannibal. It eats up other snake. It will eat other cobras also, other smaller cobras also, compared to the Indian Cobra. That is why it's called the King Cobra. But this video clip is an Indian Cobra, so enjoy the video clip, which I'm going to show later on. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and support me. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks again. And till we meet again in the next video. Enjoy the clip.